Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I again hope and pray that you're all in your very good health. You're feeling fantastic and enjoying the beautiful monsoon day, the season, and another beautiful day. We are in our numeracy class, and again playing with the numbers and having fun, right? So what we're going to do today, remember what we did yesterday? We did teen numbers. Yes, we did teen numbers. And today we're going to do something else. Yay. Okay. So what we are going to do is we're going to revise what we did yesterday. It was teen numbers. So I'm going to write them again on the board, and they are like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Remember we did this yesterday? Like all the teen numbers that has 1 over here and the second digit changes. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Yes. Okay, and they have teen in them, T-E-E-N, T-E-E-N, F-O-R-T-E-E-N, S-I-X-T-E-E-N. So that's why they're called teen numbers. Teen, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes. And today we're going to do something else, right? What are we going to do? Now we have 13. Now we are going to remove this 1 and we are going to write here 3. Right? We don't need number 1 over here. So we are going to write number 3. So here we're going to add 0. Right? So we have removed 1 and we have written 0 at the like next to 3, after 3. 1 was before 3 and 0 we have written after 3, right? In the same way, we're going to remove 1 from here. We're going to write 4, 0. Now what is this teen number? This is 13. And what is this? This is T number, T-Y, tie. We say tie. This is tie number. This is T number 13 and this is 30. 30. 40, 40. Yes. So same over here. We're going to remove 1. We're going to write 5. 50, 50. Then we're going to remove 1. 6 and 0. 60, 60. Yes. Remove 1. 7. Write 0. 70. Yes. Then remove 1. 8, 0. 80. Yes. And then 9, 0. 90. Yeah, that's great. So see, we did teen numbers, and today we're going to learn about tie numbers, right? 13 turns into 30, 14 turns into 40, 15 turns into 50, 16 turns into 60, 17 turns into 70, and 18, 80, and we have made now from 90 we've turned into 90. So on this right hand side we have teen numbers, and on this side we have Thai numbers. That is great. So we are going to see the spellings of these Thai numbers, right? So we have one more over here. I forgot to write. We are going to start this the Thai number starts from 20. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, right? So we are going to start by looking at the spellings of the Thai words, right? Okay. Yes, now the first is TWENTY, 20. Now at the end, there will be TY, right? 20, 20. That's great. Then 30, THIRTY, 30. That's great. Then we have 40, FORTY, 40. That's great. Then we have 50. The teen was 15, TEEN, teen, and this is 50. So we're going to compare the both as well, right? 50, SIXTY, 60. So there is TY at the end of Thai words. 60. Oh, sorry. 70. SEVEN, 7. TYT, 70. 80. EIGHTY, 80. And then 90. NINETY, 90. Very good. So after that, we're going to just compare how they'll look different, right? So I'll show you the teen words and the Thai words together. Okay. Now this is the teen word, which says 13, right? And this is 30, THIRTY. So this has teen at the end, and this has Thai at the end, TY, right? 30, 30. Okay. Then we have 14. 14 is a teen word, and 40 is a Thai word, right? That's great. Then we have 50, 15, and 50. 15, 50, right? That's great. Then we have 16 and 60. 16, 60, right? And this is 17 and 70. 17 we did yesterday, and today we are doing 70, 70, 70, right? And we have 18 and 80. 18, 80. 18, 80, right? Yeah. This is how they're different from each other. 19, 90, right? 19 and 90. Okay, so this is how we can have a look at them, that how do they look differently, right? So we have done Thai numbers today, and we did teen numbers yesterday. So this was what we did. We did teen, like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then by removing 1 and adding 0, we can make it 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Yes, that is super great. So on this side, we have teen numbers with the number one with all the numbers, and then the other side we have Thai numbers which has 0 with all the numbers, like, right? There is a 0 after the number in Thai numbers, and there is 1 before the number in teen numbers, right? That will be easy for you to remember. There is always a 1 in the teen numbers, and there is always a 0 in the Thai numbers, right? Okay, that's great. I hope this was easy for you. You didn't find it difficult because we have compared both of the numbers, like teen numbers and their Thai numbers. So, and we have seen how we can make Thai numbers out of the teen numbers. So once again, you need to remember the teen number has number 1 before the number, and the Thai numbers have 0 after the number, right? So this was it for today's numeracy class of Thai numbers. I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and I'm going to see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because that is really, really, really important, and give the videos the thumbs up, so we can make like lots and lots and lots of new videos for you. And please, please, please share the videos with your friends, so they can also look at them, they can also enjoy all the videos, right? So I hope you have all also enjoyed, and please keep practicing about whatever you're watching in the videos, and that is going to help you to retain whatever you have learned in that. So that will be in your brain for like long, 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 long time. Okay. Yeah, so all of you, please don't forget to wear your masks, don't forget to wash your hands frequently, and be grateful for whatever you have. And yes, please get vaccinated, please, 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 all of you get vaccinated. That's very, 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 very important. And these days, please don't go out. The outside places are really, really, really crowded, so please take care of these things. Okay, so I'm going to see you goodbye. So till we see each other inshallah soon, I'm going to say you bye bye and Allah Hafiz.